Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Ostuni white. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch 5 V-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Ostuni white exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 5,032 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go, along with 4x4 information, terrain response drive mode to ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. You of course also have your off-road feature on the 360 view camera and the on-road feature, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle. And you also have front heated seats paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.